Hi, this is the Galaxy F54 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first open the settings application and then tap the connection section. Here you'll see the Wi-Fi switcher, so just to activate or turn off the Wi-Fi option we should click here to the switcher by this way. After that you'll see here all of the available networks. Select just one from the networks and enter the password. If you want to see the password you should click here to this eye icon. After that tap to connect button and wait a couple of seconds. Now we could see that we just successfully connected to this network. Also yet one more way how we could do that, you should just open the control panel and just here you'll find the Wi-Fi icon. To activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off you should tap on the switcher, and after activating the option you'll see here all of the available networks. If you wanna launch full Wi-Fi settings just tap here to details and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.